welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a cooking video. I know I look crazy, but I just came back from the gym. I'm starting back to work out and I'm about to make a few healthy meals. This video is going to be about the salad. I'm going to make this grilled cheese salad, and then the next video is going to be a grilled chicken with veggies and rice or whatever helps you. But yep, let's get on with the video. I'm about to tell you guys, hopefully I keep at it, but I'm about to try to post better like Mondays, Wednesdays, and it'll be iffy on Fridays. So just be looking for a video Monday and Wednesdays for sure around 10 in the morning, and then Fridays it might be a video if I decide, if I have a video in mind to think of. But yeah, so just keep watching. First things first, you want to wash your hands. Tenderize it so it don't be rough. Rinse it off again. So I'm about to let that warm up, and then after that I'm gonna drop the chicken in there, let that fry. You can either have it baked, but I don't have time for it to be baked. I don't have a grill, so let's just fry it. Let's go. So you're gonna need this, and some rice. So just take it out, put it in boiling water, and I use some butter even though I shouldn't, but whatever you want to do. When I make rice, I put a little butter in there. And some salt so it won't stick. That's enough of the butter. You can stick a fork in it. It's done. So, this is done. Now on to the rice. So while the rest of the chicken is cooking, I'm about to go ahead and start cutting up the chicken. Just squeeze juice out. Yeah. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. The reason why I didn't put the chicken and the veggies and rice on the plate is because I won't eat that until later. Right now I'm about to eat the chicken salad, and then later on, because right now it's like 3 o'clock, so I probably won't eat that until like 7 or 8, because the chicken salad will last me. And I might have like either a smoothie or some type of juice with my salad. And thank you guys for watching. Oh yeah, I'm gonna probably put a little cheese on the salad and dressing or whatever. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. But yeah, just keep watching my videos, and if you want me to do anything different, just please list a comment down below and I will. Thank you guys. Bye.